What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to the channel. I'm One Busy Mama, and it's a new year, new me. Well, not really, but it's a new year. And if you're new here, please subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. I really do appreciate it. And we're gonna jump right into this video using the Colourpop Baroque palette. Check out this packaging. Name shades are on the back as well as inside. There is no mirror, but Colourpop has some great color payoffs, usually kick up, but I'm okay with that. So the unicarton and the palette look just the same. Shades are on the back. So let's jump in and do this video. We're gonna do some swatches. Here are the swatches. So we have Bougie, Ritzy, Bebe, Secret, Noble. See the shift? Etiquette is this gray with some sparkle. Lounge, Grand, look how beautiful that is, and Stunna. I like to start off with a base shade, and the lightest shade in the palette is Bougie. And then we have Bebe as the next lightest shade. And we're gonna go in with Bougie on the lids. And this can definitely be a monochromatic palette. I'm gonna try Stunner on the outer V. And smoky. So the word baroque, I'm probably saying it wrong. It means, or it's baroque. Baroque. I said it wrong. Baroque is relating to or denoting a style of European architecture. So that explains the flowers on the palette. Like a lot of wallpaper back in European styles have this coloring. Nice deep navy. Let's see, the Palace of Versailles and the work of Bernini in Italy. Vivaldi, Bach, Handel, Caravaggio, and Rubens. If you use it as a noun, Baroque is a style or period. Okay. Definitely learn something new every day. Smoking this outer portion, the V here, out a little bit. I like this Stunner color. I usually don't do well with blues, but Secret is very pretty. Okay, I think we'll do Secret and then Ritzy. Ooh. All right. All right, now I'm going to line my waterline with this milk. Okay guys, so I did put on some lashes. These are the chocolate candy bar lashes from my Glam light, and they are glued on. I think I did pretty good. So what do you guys think about these lashes and this Colourpop Baroque palette? Very deep navy blue. I kind of like the colors because they're not that bad, but the lashes definitely give it volume. So I did go in with my new Gerard Cosmetics in the color Share as my lip liner, and this Sexy Mother Pucker by Soap and Glory. Such a cool name. They are tingling, just to let you know. Finish off with my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Coconut. I did get these two Gerard things in my win from Belinda. If you did not see that video, I'll go ahead and leave it up there. Ooh, that smells so delicious. All right, guys, so let me know down in the comments what you thought about this palette, this look. Do you have Colourpop? I highly recommend getting something from Colourpop. And if you are new here, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share if you must. And as always, guys, stay safe.